Hello and welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. Tonight I am going to make some ramen and shrimp ramen with some mushrooms. And it's going to be a no-cook method. So I just realized I didn't open the bags before. But I did crush them. They're all crushed and ready to go. With the no-cook method, you have to crush them so it helps them absorb water. So hang on 1 second, I'll open them up. Okay, I have them crushed up as much as I'm going to be able to get them. So now I'm going to reach down and grab some of the mushrooms to put in there that I have dehydrated. So I'm going to throw a few of those in there. And then I have my hot water. And I'm just going to pour that in there. Trying to cover up as much as the noodles as possible. I'm going to have to go get another hot cup of water. Hang on a second. Okay, this is not working. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that long trying to pause the thing. I'm working without my case today on my phone, and it looks like my hand was too close to the screen, so it wouldn't let me pause it. So here's the other cup of hot water, and we're going to try to pour it in there without spilling all the water. Alright, we got all the noodles covered. And then I'm just going to put the top on it. I'm going to pause that for a minute while it cooks up, and I'll bring you back. Alright, we're back. I'm going to take the cover off. It's been some time now, and everything is very soft. There's some extra liquid in there. I think I put a little bit too much water in there to begin with. While I was off screen, on pause, I put in the seasonings because I forgot to do that. And I'm going to reach over and grab some duck sauce that I got from a restaurant that I was at last summer. Stuff lasts forever. And get the other one. Then I'll mix it up. Probably could have gotten 2 more in there for the duck sauce, but alright, and we're gonna give it a taste. So that's what it looks like. Perfect. So that's absolutely no cook, just used the heat of the water. The mushrooms turned out perfectly rehydrated, and the noodles are completely done. So that is my no cook ramen recipe, and have a good day, and until next time, stay safe and have a good one. Bye for now.